Welcome to another tutorial for Gutenberg. We're going to answer the question, can I use Gutenberg and the classic editor at the same time, or can I switch back and forth? So here's what it'll look like once you are updated to WordPress 5.0. You're on the latest version of WordPress. Now, to use the classic editor, you're going to need to have the classic editor plugin installed. So right here, you can see that I have, among a few other things, the classic editor. So you want to have that activated. Next, click Settings. This takes you to the writing page right here. Set a default and also select whether or not you're going to allow people to switch. We're going to allow it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, when you hover here, you'll see there's two options. And you can do a block like this in the block editor or the classic editor. And you can also see which one was being used when it was built. This one was the classic editor. So let's play with one and see what we can do. This is a post that I have. This is the classic editor. And let's pretend this is my first time. And I'm going to give Gutenberg a try. Go down the side if you haven't changed your sidebars. And right above the featured image, you will see a switch. So switch to the block editor, and WordPress will put all of this content into one block, a block like this called Classic. Basically, that's the old editor, and you have everything in one block. To change this to individual blocks, click on the three dots and click Convert to Blocks, and then you get these really cool individual blocks. Go over here and make sure that you are in the block tab. Select your block, and you can see all the different settings that you get to do here. You can use these to change the blocks, add them, save them, all kinds of things. But the first time you open a brand new post, it will say Classic Editor. You just use the three dots like here, and it will say Convert to Blocks. Make sure you click that and you have some fun blocks to work with. Now that we've saved our post as a block post, it'll say block editor right here. Now the question is, can I go back and forth? You can absolutely do that. Just click on it, you'll get your regular editor, and you can make any changes you like.